So hello everybody, this is Julia Schlenkert from Germany, and I was asked to show how I play the Anusara Invocation on harmonium. And well, yes, let's start very easy with just the fingers and no music with it, so that you can see where my fingers are placed. I use my middle finger on this note here, that's a C sharp, that's called in English. Then I have my index finger later on the H and the thumb on the A and my ring finger on the D. So I start here and it goes Namah Shivaya Gurave, and then up Sachidananda Murtaye Nish Prapanchaya Shantaya Niralambaya Tejase. So with sound that would be Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Sachidananda Murtaye Nish Prapanchaya Shantaya Niralambaya Tejase. Do it again for practice. Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Sachidananda Murtaye Nish Prapanchaya Shantaya Niralambaya Tejase. So next thing I usually do is I keep a drone. Das heißt, I keep one finger down, one note down, and at the beginning it's this A here with my thumb. Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Sachidananda Murta. And now I would go down to here. That's not so nice, so I switch the thumb, I just let it go and switch the drone to the E. So it sounds like this. Start here. Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Sachidananda Murta. And then this little finger on the E stays down and the melody continues down here. Nish Prapanchaya Shantaya. So next would be going up here. That would be too close and it would sound a little disharmonic. So when I go up here, I switch down to the thumb. Niralam. Same again. So from the beginning, Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Sachidananda Murtaye. Melody down here. Nish Prapanchaya Shantaya Namah Shivaya Gurave Sachidananda Murtaye chord, well, it's just two notes, so you don't really call it a chord, but still a harmony. I use these to start with the Om. And I end with this Om. So when you sit in front of your group and you start to play, place your little finger on the E and your thumb on the A. Yes, that's right. And get your middle finger prepared to start the melody here. So it goes. Switch to D and up to E. That 3 times. And then melody. Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Sachidananda Murtaye Nish Prapanchaya Shantaya Niralambaya Tejase. Close your harmonium and give blessings. Thank you.